What's going on, co-rollers? Pogo here. Hey, we got another unboxing video. This time it's coming from CNC Fabrications. So you guys can see here. I think I good right there. CNC Fab. So let's do a little unboxing here. See what all we got. My handy dandy assistant holding the camera for me, showing all her fingers. Gotta love that. Thank you. All right. See what we got here. A little bit over there. Alrighty. See what we got here. You guys know we got a lot of projects going on. Well, let's be honest, 3 of them, and these projects definitely have a demand for a lot of parts. So I'm gonna move this out of the way here, and let's start with, I guess, this box right here. Let's see what we got. There we go. You guys can see right there. We have a 99-203 7.3 Valley mount. This is actually a 4 fuel line distribution system. It feeds your heads on the 7.3 from all 4 corners. This really helps out when it comes to your fueling for your bigger injectors and making sure that there's less turbulence in the fuel. Pair that up with some other goodies and makes your system basically foolproof. Let's see what we got. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. You guys can see, very nicely shaped steel lines. As you guys know, we have done regulated returns before, and just the normal AN fittings and braided lines, but that kind of wears out a little bit too quick. This is the actual way to go, to be honest with you guys. Let's see what we got here. There goes the second line. Oh, sorry. Third one. And the 4th one right here. You guys can see all 4 of them are here. That's what's gonna feed the fuel to the rails in our heads. You can see they send an instruction packet, and it has all the contents of the box. And believe it or not, I've seen one before, and they do colored pictures. And to be honest with you, it's probably the best way for a guy like me who doesn't like reading instructions. We tend to look at those little pictures, and they help us out quite amazingly. Alright, so we got the instructions right there. And let me just set these down here. This is Le Piece de la Resistance. Oh, how nice. We got a koozie here. Look at there. Keep our cold drinks nice and cold. Especially when we go out fishing, camping, hunting. Or, hey, we're here in Florida. Drinks get hot really quick. But this will definitely help us out with our canned iced teas and stuff like that. Very cool. Let's see what we got down here. Let's set that down. Oh, look at that piece of machinery right there. That is beautiful. And this one right here is intended for the Super Duty, anywhere from 99 to 2003 with the 7.3. As long as you're using like a drop-in type turbo or the factory turbo. So this kind of works better with going around the pedestals and stuff like that. So basically that tells you this piece right here is actually going on the battle axe. Very nice, well machined. This is amazing. You can see they use nice grade 8s and fittings. You can see they've used sealers on there, which is excellent. Oh, this is really, really nice. We got that going there. What else they sent in here? All right, so you got the fitting to attach your lines, your fuel lines. This looks like a 6AN. So if you're using like a fast or an aftermarket fueling system, this will make it extremely easy. From the fuel pump to this fitting line, and then you just plug it on to the little AN fitting right there, which is where fuel goes in, and then it distributes it to all 4 corners of your heads. That is awesome. So let's just put this back up over here. Let's see what else we got. Please don't mind my being so disorganized. So I'm trying to do this in a timely manner and keep it nice and steady for you guys. Let's see what we got here. So you can see over here, this one is for 94.5 to 03, and it says T4. So basically what we have here is, open it up. Big shout out to CNC Fab. Their packaging is excellent, and I love this tape. It's really nice. It's sturdy. Have a look here. Now you will find some similarities to the one you just saw for the Super Duty. However, the way the lines are routed on this unit, it's a little bit different. Like I said, this one said T4 on the box, and it's because it's meant for when you're using, like for example, a i8 diesel T4 kit for your 7.3 Power Stroke. This is the set that works for you in that case. 3 are here, and the 4th line down here as well. You see? Once again, we got some instructions and the contents right here. And set these back in here. I don't want to mix them up because the other one is for, like I said, for the Super Duty with the stock turbo location. And this one. Alright. Ooh, what do we have here? Nice little bottle opener. Look at that. That is awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a big fan of those old school real sugar Coca-Cola glass bottles, and this will make it a whole lot easier to open up. Big thank you to CNC Fab. This is awesome. Stick that one in my pocket right away. All right, what do we have here? Oh, look at there. They give you a little freeze plug. I'm assuming that freeze plug right there is for the hole in the valley where your mechanical pump goes. The cam-driven fuel pump for the OBSs. You got some hardware here, also some O-rings and a plug. We have the line fitting, once again, the fuel line fitting coming from the fuel pump. And once again, let's open this one. Another piece. Just like the other one, looks very similar. Same deal. This one goes in the valley as well, but it is routed with the lines specifically for when you have a T4 kit on your rig. That is awesome. So, being that it calls for the T4 kit, this one is actually going to be put onto Pegasus, the dually, so that way we have proper fueling for the goals that we're looking to achieve. I haven't said anything about it, but I'm pretty sure you guys get an idea with all the stuff that's been coming in little by little. Let me set this aside. There. And last but not least, I'm not gonna open this one, guys. I'm really not gonna open it. I'm gonna tell you why. Because once again, we have another T4 unit. You can see from 94.5203, another T4 4-line kit from CNC Fabrications. This one is gonna be for our Pro Mod. Now, granted, we won't be using a irate diesel type of turbo kit, but this still falls right into the valley. The lines will run just perfectly fine on there, and they're basically the same price whether you get one or the other. It's just a matter of routing, you know, which one goes best for your vehicle. So this one's going to be for our Pro Mod, and yeah, they assured me that this system will be able to flow enough fuel to meet, once again, the goals that we're trying for that vehicle as well. So a big shout out, a big thank you to CNC Fab for always hooking us up and getting our parts. Oh my God, they were so fast when it came to shipping. I could have sworn I hung up the phone and before I knew it, they were at our door. So a big thank you. Eric, you're the man. Thank you so much. And yeah, so you guys take care. God bless you, and let the pole roll.